Hello everyone, Storm 11 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the severe weather potential and the plants, and also the strong system that will hit up into the northeast. And what's going on to get started, what we got going on right now. We do have that system that's going to be becoming a little bit strong. It's like a nor'easter. If it was like a month back, it'll bring in a lot of snow. But since we're now in spring, it's not going to be that bad, except for like the states of New York State, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine will be the main states to watch for snow. And so here we go with this. You can see snow comes up. Let me take that off so it doesn't annoy anybody. So basically, it's at 990 millibars. We got plenty of snow going on in the higher elevations, and with higher elevations, you can see over a foot of snow in those higher elevations. It kind of sticks around. It'll be windy. Here's your severe weather potential. It's going to be Oklahoma and Texas area for this. It's a weak one as well, and it seems like kind of getting strength a little bit. That pushes off to the east there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the supercell composite with this here. So your first, you know what? Let me show you this SPC's outlook. There's stage 3, nothing really much going on. There's a marginal risk. And then for parts of Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Texas, they got all in marginal, 2% for tornado, and wind and hail at a 5%. And there's small chance for severe weather today for parts of Colorado and New Mexico. Your main threat seems to be going to be the damaging winds and hail. Tornado cannot be ruled out for today. Now, I think it was yesterday. If we go ahead and go to the 4 to 8 day outlook here, if I remember correctly, yesterday on day 5 there was a slight risk for parts of Oklahoma and Texas, but they did downgrade it. That if you follow me on Twitter, I went on and retweeted that for you guys so y'all could see what it was there. So let's go ahead and go back. So not much of severe weather today. And here we go into Saturday. A little bit of marginal risk there. There's Sunday. Looks like it. And there's Monday. It's more of a Sunday night. We got a small area of enhanced in parts of Texas there. It's 4. So yeah, that looks pretty good there with the forecast soundings. It's a weak tornado because, the cap's going to be there. You can see right now the cap's on, so it's not letting clouds develop to become big-time storms, which seems like that's going to be an issue as we move on into, next week. There's other chances for severe weather here. Even this far out, the GFS actually wants to bring an 8 up into Kansas there. Oh yeah, that does look that looks pretty good there. So that's Thursday. Now if you want severe weather, that's a really good forecast sign. The problem is the cap's going to be on again. If the cap is off, this will be showing a high risk from the GFS. Now it starts to push off to the east. So it's really, we got to watch severe weather this weekend into next week. Those are going to be the main days to watch for severe weather. I'm not going to show you all ingredients today. All this, that moderate risk that I show you guys, that's pretty far out at this point. So we're going to see. We'll probably get some better data in as we go past this weekend, probably into Monday. So this is all we got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoy this update. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to mention here. Let's take a look at the snowfall totals from the GFS. So here you go. This is what it's suggesting to a foot in higher elevations. And yes, there is a chance for flooding. There is some flood watches going in for parts of Maryland and Pennsylvania. I think Virginia is going into this as well. As you can see, up to 3 inches of rain for a few areas, though. But that's going to be an isolated threat. Now I'm going to end it here. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you really like my channel, hit the subscribe button. I do have a Twitter account. I'm a little bit more active on there than I am on here, so go ahead and check that out. It is the same name except for underscore between Storm and 101. And I'll see you in the next one.